Attach the rechargeable battery adapter to the control unit. Insert the hook on the control unit into the matching groove on the rechargeable battery adapter and push towards the ear hook until the release lever snaps into place. Insert the rechargeable battery at an angle. The side with the higher lip should be facing towards the ear hook. Gently press the rechargeable battery back into the adapter until it clicks into place. Then slide the cover over the battery pack. Make sure to use the cover that corresponds to the rechargeable battery you are using. If the audio processor belongs to a child, lock it into place. If the battery runs out, make sure that the battery pack cover lock is in the unlocked position and remove the battery pack cover. Then gently remove the battery by pushing it first towards the ear hook and then removing it. To insert the battery into the charger, align the pointer at an angle on the transparent side of the charging slot. Then, tip the battery towards the white side of the charging slot until it snaps into place. The blue indicator light shows that the battery is charging. When the indicator light turns off, the battery is fully charged.